Hey there everybody, how's it going? So this is a public service announcement for anybody who owns an Apple Mac with the Apple silicone, Apple chip. In other words, not an Intel based Mac, but the newer Apple based chip Macs. I've had a terrible problem with flicker on my Acer 4K monitor, which has just worked wonderfully well, you know, with my PC. And ever since I got my Mac Mini, there's when I like capture one, when the screen gets darkish, then like in night mode and stuff, it flickers really bad. Capture one also has like every once in a while it gets like this vertical banding issue, which is really disconcerting, and it's been annoying. It's been an off and on problem, and I've researched it. And it seems that it's an M1 chip problem. So when it seems to have something to do with HDMI cables. And to that point, like one of the forums I was reading said, get yourself a top quality HDMI cable. So this is the highest quality HDMI cable I could find. Didn't make a difference. Another forum another person said, get yourself a 2.0 HDMI cable, you know, the cheaper cable. So I got a cheaper cable and that didn't work at all. But last night I was at Walmart, and one of the people said, don't use the HDMI port on the Mac Mini out, use the Thunderbolt port. So they happen to have a USB-C, this is a J5 Create, USB-C to 4K HDMI cable. All right, and so I plugged this in, just giving it a shot. So far, so good. So I wanted to report that I think I have solved the flicker problem on my Mac, which for me, this seems to have solved the problem. I've done some testing with Affinity Photo, which I've had issues with the Capture One, I've definitely had issues with. Capture One looks beautiful. I haven't seen any vertical banding, haven't seen any flicker. So I think I may have solved the problem. So for anyone that has that problem, give it a shot. Try the USB-C Thunderbolt out and see if that helps you. I hope that helps somebody. I know this has been an ongoing issue for me for a while. So there it is. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you out there. Have a great one. Bye.